Hello everyone, my name is Alexander Tesfai Habte. The title of my project is Crypto Data Storage and Collection. The GitHub and ADX username will be alexanderhabte5@gmail.com. I'm from Vilnius, Lithuania, and the date recorded was the 2024 of June the 8th. I'm going to start by explaining my project. This is the start of my project, which is importing all of the necessary libraries. I've created an environment variable to store all of my values that will be important or necessary for my project. And this is the part where I'm reading all of the environment variables. And I have three functions within my code. The first function is to retrieve the data from the server of the website. I'm actually using a free API from the CoinMarketCap. I will retrieve the data in JSON file, which has been shown here. This is actually the part where it retrieves the data from the server and storing the data in JSON file. And this is the part where I'm just trying to handle all of the errors, if any. The second function will be storing the data into my database. I'm using MySQL. And this is the part where I'm just using all of my credentials to connect to my database. And then start to extract the relevant data by, for example, retrieving the name. I have created a variable name and retrieved the name from the JSON file that I will receive from the server of the website, which is in our case the CoinMarketCap. Those are all of the relevant data, and this is the part where I'm storing the data into my database. It's very important to create a table in your SQL database, or at least in my case, what I'm using. Those are the database called crypto data, and those are the name of the columns with an auto increment for each of the ID and the data type and the size of each. And this is an example of the data that I've already retrieved from the server. And then there is the last function, which is my main functions, which is gonna start by invoking all of the functions from the top. The first one, which is the get crypto data, to retrieve the data from the server and storing the data into my database by invoking the store data in DB. And now I will try to demonstrate the project. It's gonna retrieve the data within every 1 second and store the data into my database. Thank you very much for your time.